Hello everyone, welcome to the first Azkavision tutorial. I am Ahmed Rayyan, Product Growth Manager of Azkavision. In this video, I will walk you through one of the features of Azkavision that can revolutionize your understanding of customer behavior and help you make data-driven decisions. Whether you're managing a mall, shopping center, or any retail establishment, Azkavision has got you covered. Let's dive in. So one of the key features of Azkavision is its robust footfall analysis. With Azkavision, you can gain valuable insights into the number of visitors to your facility, their entry and exit counts, and even track historical data to identify trends and patterns. Now, this information is crucial for understanding the performance of your mall and making informed decisions. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to extract footfall information with Azkavision. Simply log into your Azkavision dashboard and navigate to the footfall analysis section. Here you'll find an overview of your daily visitor count, entry and exit trends, demographic distribution in terms of gender, age group, and we can gather this information from any point of the day, or week even. We can even check to see the average of those insights easily. Even going back in our history, we can check from the insight if there were any distribution changes. So in general, this dashboard helps us get the information needed easily and quickly. For more information about Azkavision, please check the link below and follow us for more content. Thank you.